Fix Windows Update Error 0x80240025. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Use the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in tool to automatically detect and fix update-related issues. It's a simple first step that resolves many common problems without manual changes. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Run the system file checker and DISM. Corrupted system files can interfere with update installation. Using SFC and DISM could address this. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Reset Windows Update components. Sometimes, the update system itself gets stuck. Resetting the core components of Windows Update often restores normal function. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, look for a setting called Remove Access to use all Windows Update features. If it is enabled, double-click it and set it to Not Configured or Disabled. Click Apply and OK. Restart your computer.